This quick honest review is of the Cascade Platinum Plus dishwashing pods. Let me show you. This is Cascade's best or highest rated dishwashing pods. It's called the Platinum Plus. This is bring it up close so you can have a quick look see. Typical pods, you just put them in the dishwasher pod area and close it up, and you're ready to run your dishwasher. This particular one is the lemon scent. I was actually looking out for it for a lemon scent. They have another like a lavender type one, but I was really looking for the lemon scent, and I found it on Amazon. Price point on Amazon is around about $23 for the value pack, the 62 pods per pack. So you can see there, got a pack of them. There's 62 in there, gonna last quite some time. 62. There is subscribe and save as well available on Amazon. You can save about $3 using subscribe and save. So definitely look out for that. Now I know I was looking for the lemon scent one because the other one the fresh scent, the other type that they have. Although I didn't really notice any sort of lemon scent. Yeah, it just didn't really have much of a scent to it at all. It does smell fresh, but at the end of the cycle, but didn't really have that a lemon scent to it, which is not bad. I'm not sort of really holding it against it, but that was something I was looking out for. So just be aware of that. As far as cleaning power goes, this really does work well. As it says on the thing, twice the scrubbing power. I'll just bring it up a little closer. It has Dawn in it as well. Glasses do come out really well. If you have anything sort of, like any dishwasher stuff, if you've got something that's really caked on, you've left it for a few days, depending on your dishwasher, of course, but for the most part, it's probably not going to get everything off if you've got stuff really caked on there. It is very good, but I found if you've left dishes for a few days, it's not going to get everything off. So you might still have to sort of hand wash a little bit. So just something to be aware of. These dishwasher pods are not miracle pods. But they do work well. This Cascade brand does work very, very well. So it is a really good quality product. I would also sort of use the rinse aid as well for your detergent, just as especially for glasses and stuff. So overall, good product. This is their sort of premium version of their pods, so a little more expensive than some of the other ones. But look out for the value size one, because it's that can end up costing you just the same per pod as a smaller size with the not as premium a version of the dishwasher pod. So overall, definitely thumbs up on this product. Very worthwhile. Certainly worth trying in your dishwasher, and recommended. Thanks for watching Quick Honest Reviews.